Hi, folks. I wanted to get you this late video from here in Pennsylvania, where I'm attending the Shortwave Listening Fest gathering just outside of Philadelphia. I wanted to get you this information on the Choyong LC90 receiver. Did a video on that about a week and a half ago or so and pointed out one of the shortcomings of the radio, which is the existence of numerous birdies, internally generated tones on the radio from medium wave on up to the end of the shortwave spectrum. So according to a note I received from the designer in China, the key Choyong engineer behind this radio, he states that, quote, "We seem to have found the frequency or birdies, the frequency of birdies in the radio and eliminated the sound by changing the firmware." He says that they completed this work, he says yesterday afternoon. I assume that means Wednesday, and says the birdies have been eliminated, and they are currently testing whether this change will cause other problems. If not, there will be a new release of firmware 4.5 by, let's see when he says this might happen, 4.5 release by tonight, which means his time in China, which would be Friday morning Eastern time, U.S. So it remains to be seen, indeed, whether this accomplishment they've announced actually can eliminate the birdies in this receiver, which I frankly have thought has a lot to do with the architecture of the LC90 and would require a redesign internally of the radio and how it, the interaction between the internet section and the HF section. But anyway, that's the news. Just wanted to get this out really quickly. According to the designer of the LC90 in China, it would be firmware 4.5, an update expected on Friday. Again, remains to be seen whether this really is able to deal with this severe problem of the internally generated tones in the radio, but we shall see. So try to be optimistic, and just wanted to get that information out to you as soon as I possibly could. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.